A lot of magic is happening with this pill. Early versions of the pill didn't have holes. When we tested them in the wind tunnel, they were super erratic. They turn into this wrecking ball. They just like go all over the place. I don't know if you have ever seen an aerial refueling of a fighter jet. They use these fuel drogues. There are these shuttlecock type devices that just stay stable, going at like 500 miles an hour plus, and they just sit there in the air stable. This is where this idea came from to stabilize it. We were able to do this for the pill. So if you see wind tunnel footage of this pill, it just sits there going 70 miles an hour, and it just sits like that in the airstream. And that is due to these holes and also the shape of the disc on the inside. We did that because we want to be able to dampen out disturbances that happen during delivery. You don't want to winch up a swinging pendulum, because what happens, and that's just physics, is you have a swing like this, and the shorter the string gets, the more swing you get. So what we do instead is we do not winch all the way up. We just winch up a little bit. That's a safe distance that it will not overswing. And then we start climbing out of the delivery zone and just start flying on the wing. And this makes the pill go from this, to this in a very stable state. And once we have the stable state, we pull it in while we're cruising. And this just keeps everything safe and keeps the pill away from the propellers, just being able to handle large swings without any active systems. And it was a very interesting challenge to put the holes into the pill without disturbing its main functions. It's not only the size of the holes that have to be tuned, but their locations and shapes too, so that you're not getting hung up on the cams inside the airplane, or that you're not creating something that gets now hung up on the tab. Every little hole in there is sized specifically to give the stability. It behaves like a drag parachute, and it's super stable.